Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can fix Siri not working on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also write your comments after watching the video, and make sure to put your likes. So friends, let's get started. And I'm gonna show you the whole process from the beginning. If for some reason Siri is not working on your iPhone, there are a few ways you can fix it. Please open the settings on your phone and then scroll down to Siri settings. Open Siri settings and then make sure that you have this option enabled, which is responsible for making Siri work even when, say, your device is locked. If this option is not enabled, click on this button here to enable it. I also recommend that you make sure to see if Siri is active at all. To do that, you need to click right here, Stay Siri. This is where you need to choose one of the options. Either you need to select Siri or Hey Siri in order to activate Siri on your device. And if you have Siri actively enabled to work Siri when you lock your phone, but it still doesn't work, then I recommend that you reset your Siri. This can be done in a very easy way. For that, friends, you will need to first click here to talk in Siri. Or you can also customize Siri, let's say, to some other language. For that, go to Languages and then select any language, go back, and then go to Siri Talk. And here you just need to click on Disable. Next, confirm your actions, pause. And once you've disabled your Siri on your iPhone, you will have to go to the Siri Conversation option again and select one of the two options to reconfigure Siri on your iPhone. In this way, you will reinstall Siri, which will help you to fix a lot of problems with Siri working on your iPhone. Also, if even that didn't work for you, then I recommend you to just reboot your iPhone. After rebooting, the Siri not working can be fixed for sure. With these methods, friends, you can try to fix Siri not working on your iPhone device. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes, also write comments and subscribe this channel. Goodbye.